Cats sleep 12 to 16 hours a day, sometimes up to 20. They spend up to 50% of their awake time grooming. Purring isn't just a sign of contentment. It can also indicate pain or stress. Cats knead with their paws to mark territory and mimic kitten behavior. They talk with their tails. Raised tails mean happiness. Twitching means irritation. Slow blinking at a cat shows trust. They may blink back. Cats hate water because their fur doesn't insulate well when wet. Indoor cats can get bored. Mental stimulation is important. Cats can remember people and routines for years. They often hide illness due to instincts as prey animals.